Hey, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip. So we got this 2020 Silverado with the 3-liter diesel, and we're doing a trans fluid service on it. If you've ever done one of these, you know the trans fill plug is kind of weird to get to. So these are the three things that make it super easy and convenient to get that fill plug out so you can refill it. That's what we're doing. Let's flip this around and see what we got. So we got the 8 millimeter Allen deal right there. And if you use the typical Allen key bit, there's not a whole lot of room between the drive shaft and the end of the Allen bit here. So you can't quite fit a socket right up in here between the two. Uh, and it makes it kind of difficult to get to. So the way that I get these, and they're also kind of snug from time to time, especially when I haven't been out in a while. So get my little Allen key in there, take my cheap cheater breaker bar, and I'll break that thing loose like so. Then comes the little pro tip part, if you would, how I finish this deal. So this Allen key that I used to break out loose with, has a ball end on it. So I'll then switch sides, but I'll take my ratchet wrench. So I got 8 millimeter Allen, I got 8 millimeter ratchet wrench, and you can probably imagine where this thing's starting to go. We'll set it up like so, run it over top of the drive shaft so we can fit it in there, hold the two together, and now we can just ratchet away on this deal and get it out. That's it. That's all I got for you today. If you ever do service on these, this little tool combination makes this just a lot easier. I'll catch y'all in the next one.